Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to join a live on TikTok. So for that, first thing is you open the TikTok application. Now once you open your TikTok account, what you need to do over here is you need to tap on live on the top left corner of your screen. You tap that live icon. Here you can add another person or request to join a various TikTok live if that person has enabled that feature. I'll walk you through how you can request that access and some limitation when you cannot join their TikTok live. So in this live, you can see at the very bottom row gift and recharge and more option. Now this TikTok live does not have the ability to request to join the live, so we need to scroll down until one of those give us the access. So this is the one you can see those two different people, the pink and the blue person. I can tap on that and this is how you request to join the TikTok live. So once you tap that, you can see the option pop out request to join as guest. Now you tap on request. So in order to be able to join someone's TikTok live, you need to able to have the access. Now if you want to accept it, you can do it or you can decline it. So this is a way how you can request a live on TikTok. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.